to another video, and today we are not reviewing this thing because it was too scary. Bye-bye. Anyways, today this is my first time reviewing something that I think is going to go pretty horribly wrong. This is probably like it says friend backwards, but it's supposed to say Nerf. It's weird. Anyways, this thing is the Nerf Elite 2.0 Tetrad QS.4. I guess that means there are 4 barrels because yes, there are 4 barrels. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so I got these scissors. Let's open this thing. So, safety first. Hold your scissors when you're running. Make sure to hold your scissors like this, so you can go chop, chop, chop when people try and hit you. Okay, please do not do that. I'm being serious. Anyways. Excuse me. Let's do this. So, get this in. What? How did it not cut? It cut yourself. Oh my god! Oopsies. I just got the tape. By the way, this thing costed $12. That is extremely cheap. I could have just done that thing sometime. Anyways, oh, it's out just like that. It's already out. So this thing's bigger than I expected. I can go pew, pew, pew. This thing looks pretty sick, but we're not fully done unboxing it yet. There's still one more thing in here. It's like right here. Let's pull it out and oh, it looks like Nerf darts. I think it is Nerf darts. Let's open it. Nope. Whoa, my brother's being freaky right now. He just said touch the horse. We don't own a horse. What the heck? That was freaky. But anyways, let's just load the gun in and then we can start the review. Wait, no way. Wait, this thing has like, whatever the heck this thing is. I have another gun that has these like same spokes on top. I think we can like combine them like with X-Shot Insanity, like how we can do it. We can do it just like how X-Shot Insanity line does it. But that is a bit crazy, so I'm loading the darts in. Here we go, let's load the darts. Okay, so now that I've loaded the gun, can you promise me that you will forget that you saw me going? Please promise to be there, okay? Anyways, who wants to do some target practice? First, you have to watch me chugging this sparkling water because this is going to be a target. Be quiet. Okay, I washed it off. Here it is. Okay, so I'm setting up. Okay, you can definitely see this right here. I got the gun. I'm loading it. Anyways, this is how you load it. I like it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Perfect shot. See that kid in the background?
That's
my
not our
brother.
bear. That's not our bear. That's not our bear.
So, anyways, let's check the damage of the sparkling water again, which I set right here. It left a dent. That's how powerful it is. You know, why not go for a second round? Please don't hit my fingers, okay? Okay, please don't hit my fingers. Woo! Okay, that is a pretty big dent. Okay, what if I place it like this? Ow! I got hit in the face by some bullets. Okay, that's enough target practice. We flattened this thing right now. This, I highly recommend buying this, especially if you're looking for like a cheap thing. You definitely want to, if you're looking for a cheap Nerf gun, and you like, if you're looking for a cheap Nerf gun, but you still want to win the Nerf war, this is the one. This is the gun you need. Shoots random bullets at once, like up to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know how many, but still, you should definitely buy this. It's really cool. Also, my dad bought this for me, and he's taking $13 out of my piggy bank, so please subscribe. Anyways, this is a great gun. I highly recommend buying it, and bye.